Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Engineer Sanawalla. In this video, I will show you how to calculate the irregular shape of plot. Okay. First, subscribe Engineer Sanawalla, your construction channel Engineer Sanawalla. First, I will calculate this plot. Okay. Here, the plot size is in width 30 feet. Okay, and in length it's 72 feet. Okay, and see here the plot size area is stretch is 15 feet and is inclined again 16 feet 2 inches. See here the length of the plot is 66 feet. Okay, I will show you how to calculate this plot in area square feet. Okay, let's check. See, first we have to divide in plot. See here. Okay, means rectangle shape of plot we got here. See, here is the 15 feet, here is the 72 feet. So now we can easily calculate the area of this plot. Okay, let's check. See, 15 feet, okay, into 72 feet. This 15 feet and this 72 feet. So 15 into 72. 15 into 72 is 1080 square feet. Okay, this plot, this area we got here 1080 square feet. Okay, now we calculate this area. Okay, here you know this measurement here is 72 and this length is also 72 feet. Okay, so here now again we have to take the mean length 72, this one, and we have to take this one 66 divided by 2. 72 plus 66 divided by 2. So we get 72 plus 66 divided by it will come 138 divided by 2. So 138 divided by 2, it will come 69. So this mean length is 69, and here is the length is 15 feet and this one is 15 feet. So 69 into 15. Okay, 69 into 15, 1035 square feet. Okay, now we will calculate the total area. 1080 plus 1035. Okay, let's check. 1080 plus 1035, it will come 2115 square feet. This is the area of this plot. Okay, now we will calculate the area of this plot. This plot is like here. This plot will look like here, and this here is the 40 square feet, here is the 24 feet. Okay, and inclined length, this inclined length is 42 feet 9.5 inch. Here inclined length is 42 feet 8.5 inch. Okay, and the mean length here 42 feet. So it is easy. I will show you how to calculate the very easy method. Okay, so first we have to calculate the mean length. See, here is the 40 plus 24 divided by 40 plus 24 divided by 2, it will come 40 plus 24 divided by 2, 64 divided by 2, it will come 32. Okay, and here is the mean length is, so this mean length is 42 feet. Okay, so 32 into 42 feet, 42 feet, it will come 32 into 42, it will come like 1344 square feet. Okay, now we will go to the next plot. Here we can easily calculate See here, it look like a triangle. Okay friends, so here is the length is 47 feet, here is the 32 feet, and inclined length is 46 feet 10 and a half inch. Okay, so here we can calculate easily. Here is the base is 47 feet, okay, and the height is 32 feet. Okay, so here is the formula, half into base into height. Okay, so base is 47 into height is 32 divided by 2. Okay, 47 into 32 divided by 2, it will come 752 square feet. Okay friends, now we will calculate the next area. See, here the length is 40 feet and here the length is 46 feet, and the inclined length is 34 feet 7 inches, and here 32 feet half inches. Okay, so the mean length here is 30 feet 1 inches. So we have to know the inches in feet. See here, 1 inch divided by 12, we will convert the in inches to feet. Okay, like this, 1 divided by 12, it will come 0.0833, like this, so on. 2 by 12, it will come 2 divided by 12, so 0.166, like this. So again 3 divided by 12, 3 inches divided by 12, convert in feet, like this. 3 divided by 12, it will come 0.25. So we have here, so here is the mean length is 30 feet 1 inches. So here we have to take this one. So first we will calculate the mean length. So here is the mean length, we will calculate first the length of this plot is 40 feet here and the 46 feet here. Okay, divided by 2, it will come 43 feet. Okay, now we will calculate 1 divided by 12, okay, plus 30 feet, 30.08 into 43, this one. Okay, it will come 1293.5 square feet, 1293 square feet. Okay friends, for this plot it will come like this. Okay, here for, see here the next plot size is like this. We have to take first, see, we have to divide the area, and here it will come one rectangle, and here is also come with one rectangle. Okay, let's check. First, see, this size is 18 feet 3 inches into 33 feet. Okay, 3, first we will convert inches into feet. 3 divided by 12, 0.25 plus 18. Okay, 18.25 into 33, so it will 602.25 square feet. Okay, now we will calculate, this area, 23 feet 1 inches into 25. Okay, 23 feet 1 inches into 25. Okay, so it will come, see, 1 divided by 12, 0.008.0833 plus 23. Okay, 23.08 into 25. Okay, so it will come 577 plus 602.25. It will come, total area is 1179. So here is the area. So friends, very easy method I had shown. You can utilize also in your plot. Okay friends, if you have any doubts, you can contact me. Okay friends, thank you.